What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sakaya Ave and we are back here with another video. Today we're going to do a makeup look, but before we get started I want you guys to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and go ahead and give that bell a ring a ding ding. That way you're notified every time that we drop new videos here. We drop new videos here every Tuesday guys. So go ahead and give that bell a ring, and that way you'll be notified every Tuesday when our video is finally uploaded. Do not forget, go ahead and hop over to those other social media pages. I am on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and obviously YouTube. So guys, go ahead and hop onto those pages and you'll get daily content, your shorts, your TikTok videos, all that fun stuff. So guys, go ahead and follow me on all my social media pages, and then that way you know exactly what looks we've done, what tutorials are coming up, what things are happening. Also, if you did not know, we finally have our website up, www.sakayaavco.com. There you can find our new mink lashes. You can also find our new makeup brush collection that was just dropped last month. And you will also see our upcoming eyeshadow primers that you guys will be able to purchase soon. But I will be using them in tutorials and things of that nature so you guys can see how they work and how well the product is. And one last thing before we get started, guys, prom season is here. Prom season is finally here. I am running prom specials for 20% off here in the Georgia area. So if you guys are interested in getting some makeup, or you know someone who needs their prom makeup done, who needs prom photos done, all that good jazz, you know, lately we've been doing the photo shoots with different models. So guys, if these people are in need of a prom look, a prom photo shoot, I am your gal. Go ahead and simply go to my Instagram. There is a beautiful booking tab that you can just simply click on and book your service with us. Now, without further ado, let's hop into this video. All right, so today I'm going to do a smoky orange and yellow kind of eye. Something real like uplifting, happy colors, like, cause I'm in a happy mood, like I'm in a good mood. So we're gonna go with some yellow and orange because that's how I'm feeling. And we're gonna see where this kind of goes. I just kind of really want to do a nice bold smoke, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause it just be like, well, pow. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm doing step by step. So let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil, not NYX, I'm sorry, NK makeup pencil. It's just a regular brown liner. And I'm gonna go in and fill in my brow, the shape and everything. And then we'll go back and use our concealer to clean it up and get the exact shape that we want. So now that I kind of have my brows filled in where I pretty much want my brow and the shape and stuff, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish. And I'm going in with something brighter because I really want that brown and yellow to pop on my eye. I'm also going in with a flat, rounded type of brush. Don't know where it is in my new makeup brushes. I think I might have it with my dirty brushes and need to clean them. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. If not, I'm going to take my Splashy Candies You Can Be palette, and I'm going to go in with the yellow here and the orange here. Alright, so now that I have my eyeshadow base color down, I think any other details that I want to add will be liner, some type of liner design or whatever, depending on how I feel. So I go ahead and do my foundation and everything. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer on all the little darker areas that I want to correct, and then I'm going to go ahead and top that with my foundation. Alright, so now that I have the contour on and the foundation, we're going to go ahead and go in with our highlights. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this deep olive and a little bit of this tan neutral, because this kind of gives more of like a glow, like with the like a type of orange tint, and then this is just kind of help with, you know, the basic highlight. So we're going to go ahead and mix those, and then I'm going to apply this highlight. Infuse blush, and then I'm going to go ahead and top that off with my highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my basic brown pencil that we use on the brow. I'm gonna sharpen that up, and we're gonna go ahead and do a lip liner, because y'all know how I feel about the lips after I do the base. Like, lips just be freaking looking crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead, use my lip liner and apply my lip color, and then we'll move back onto our eyes. All right, now I'm gonna go in on my eye area. I'm gonna use the same highlight I used on my face, and I'm going to go under the eyebrow arch, being like my main focus, and I just kind of bring it out just a little bit along the front and the back. All right, guys, now I'm going to go in with my liquid liners. Alright, so next we're going to go in with our black eyeliner. This is the exact same brand as the brown pencil liner, the NK Makeup. I get this from the hair store. But yeah, we're going to just go ahead and go in on our waterline. Just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And guys, I don't pull my eye down because that is really bad for your skin. So if you do pull your skin down when you are putting on your eyeliner, please try to stop. Like, this is the best way to put it on, because as you get older, that skin there already begins to sag, and you pulling on it every day, don't realize how much damage you're actually doing to your eye. But that's just a little esthetician tip. Alright, and so now all I want to do is add my lashes. So I got my Sakaya Ave Mink lashes. I'm telling y'all, go to the website today. I sell them in 2 pairs because the case actually holds 2 pairs of lashes. And this is the pair I'll be wearing in this video. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this is style 6. Don't quote me on that, because yeah, y'all might have me everywhere. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and apply our Sakaya Ave Mink lashes, and like I said, you can go ahead and buy this on our website as well. And here is our finished look. Y'all, it's just pretty. It's just so soft, so pretty. It's giving exactly what needs to be gave. I didn't want to do a whole lot of makeup today, so I just feel like those 2 colors really made it stand out. But I'm loving it. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to go and follow all of my other social media pages. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!